In this video we're going to look at the Irish words chuig and godí. I'm going to explain what they mean and where you should use them. If you would like to learn more about Irish words, phrases, grammar and lots more, then hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel here, Learn Irish. And don't forget to click on the bell notification as well, where you can be notified on your phone whenever I upload a new video. So chuig and godí both mean two, as in going to a place or going to an event. But whether you use chuig or godí depends entirely on the context of the sentence. So for example, you should use chuig if you're going to an event or you're going to a person, as in walking towards a person. You should use godí if you're going to a place and no further than that place. So let's look at this word here. This is ceolchoirm, and that means a concert. So if you were saying you were going to a concert, you would use this phrase here, chuig an ceolchoirm, chuig an ceolchoirm. So we use chuig here because the ceolchoirm is an event, the concert is an event. Godí an pháirc. Godí an pháirc means to the park. So we use godí here because we're going to the park and apparently we're not going any further than the park. Godí an pháirc. So that's the general rule on using chuig and godí. Let's have a look at some sample sentences now that's going to help illustrate this better. Chuig me chuig an disco le mo chairde ó am go chéile. I went to the disco with my friends from time to time. Chuig me chuig an disco le mo chairde ó am go chéile. Chuamar chuig ionad imeachtaí ar feadh seachtain agus rinneamar réimse leathan gníomhaíochtaí. We went to the activity centre and we did a wide range of activities. Chuamar chuig ionad imeachtaí ar feadh seachtain agus rinneamar réimse leathan gníomhaíochtaí. Ní féidir na ticéad a aistriú chuig daoine eile. The tickets cannot be transferred to other people. Ní féidir na ticéad a aistriú chuig daoine eile. So chuig is used here, as you can see, because it's in reference to people. An bhfuil tú ag dul go dtí an siopa? Are you going to the shop? An bhfuil tú ag dul go dtí an siopa? Tháinig sí timpeall go dtí an teach, agus d'an sí an lá ar fad. She came around to the house and she stayed all day. Tháinig sí timpeall go dtí an teach, agus d'an sí an lá ar fad. So we use godí here because the person came round to the house and she didn't go any further than the house, as I explained at the start of the video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. And I want to say a big thank you to all of you out there who have supported me over the last number of weeks, months and years. Your comments, your messages, your likes have really been a great source of encouragement to me. And a very big thank you to my Patreon supporters as well. So I'll be back very soon. Slán go fóill.